Hi, hello.
Hey, hi Amit. Good evening. So we'll wait like a couple of minutes. How's your day?
It is. It was good.
Hello
How
Amit.
about you? Audible, right? Am I not audible to you?
Yes, yes, now it is audible. Yeah, now it is.
Okay, cool. It was good. What about you?
Yeah, it is good. It is good actually. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Fine. So we'll wait for like an audience. Okay.
No problem.
It's my screen is visible, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Yeah. So also parallelly ML apps and again ML sec apps. Also you can verify this one also.
Hmm. Okay, let's wait till 4:08. Otherwise, we'll continue.
Yeah, yeah. So we'll wait like an 4 8. Okay. No
Huh.
worries. Amit, we'll wait for 10 more minutes. The few people will join it seems, okay?
Sure, Veer, sure.
Uh, Hi, Pata. So, good evening, Pata.
Hi,
So,
good evening.
yesterday, did you join our class, demo class?
Yeah, actually, I got a call and message, and that's why I joined.
No, no. Did you join yesterday?
No, no, no. Yesterday missed the class, so they asked me to join here, so I just joined.
All right, all right. So, let me know, your details so that, so we'll have interactions on this. So, quickly, so what is your designation? And again, all right, yeah.
Yeah, I'm working in data consultancy services, and I'm having around 8 years of experience. Okay, I'm mostly into the SAP consultancy, so not into this field, but I was just interested in knowing this, so just let's check this.
Okay, okay. Fine. So, are you interested to continue this ML apps kind of activities?
Actually, I mean, I don't know anything about ML apps. Okay, so if I see that okay, it is suiting me, then I'll let you know. I think this is demo class, right?
Yes, yes, it is a demo class completely. Fine. So then your background is completely so SAP ERP, right? So going forward.
Correct.
All right. So why this course interested for you?
Uh, Actually, nothing specific on that. I just wanted to know all this technological skills which is upcoming and are in demand. So I just that's why I was looking here.
Okay, great then. Great. That's fine, Partha. So thank you. So hi, Babu. So I think you joined. Yeah. I think it is a weekend, right? So that's why a few of them are taking some time. Yeah.
Yes, hi Veer.
Yeah. I all right. So we'll wait like few more minutes. Okay. So then again we can start our stuff. So meanwhile, Partha, right now, have you heard about the technologies like DevOps, ML apps, and taken DevSec apps, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yes, Partha.
Yes, yes.
All right. Yeah. Any idea about this DevOps before going to the ML apps?
Not very much, but also my coordinated projects, I mean, link project, they use DevOps. Okay. So they have code repository, which before going to the production, they have a master branch. All these basics things I know, but I never worked on this.
All right. So no worries. See, now basically, DevOps is a life cycle. If we need to develop any one of the application, right? So for that, first what we will do, we will be gathering the requirements. We will be planning for that. After that, we will be building that code, and again we will be testing that code, scanning that code, and again deploying to the environments. Right? So this is what DevOps. It's a completely application development mode. So collaboration between developer and again operations. Generally, that is a
Okay.
meaning, right? Same
Yeah.
thing. DevOps is completely application feature development. MLOps is completely gathering the data and again gathering the data. After gathering the data, cleaning the data. After cleaning the data, creating the models and again model. So before creating the models, we need to understand the algorithms and again after algorithms, creating the models and again model tracking, model experiment, and again model deployments, and again model delivery, and again monitoring. This is what MLOps. MLOps is completely related to data. DevOps is completely related to application feature development, right? Same thing. Here MLOps data development. I mean data model developments. DevSecOps completely security areas. This is okay. Anyway. So start. So what is the prerequisite to learn any DevOps, MLOps, DevSecOps? Any idea on this? So for that,
So is this course about DevOps or MLOps?
MLOps, MLOps. This course is completely MLOps and again
Okay.
GitHub Actions. This is MLOps and again GitHub Actions.
Okay. But this is actually, I mean, totally out of my scope, I believe. Okay.
Exactly. So because you're no SAP consultant, right?
Yeah. But actually, AI and all those things would be more suitable for me rather than, I mean, digging into this more.
Are you interested to join for this MLOps also, right?
No, I don't think that this will be benefiting me at some point.
Okay.
Okay. But anyway, I will, I mean, this data, I mean, previous day, I requested for the previous day demo class recording, but they shared me this link. Okay. So
Mm.
if you can share those link, I will go through that. And if it is suitable, then I'll join for that.
Yeah, exactly. So the thing is basically what I need to tell you in the sense. So as you're working employee into the SCP, right? So
Correct.
this nowhere related to MLOps or else any DevOps.
Correct.
One of the thing. And if you're passionate, if you want to switch your domain from SAP to this domain, then again, there is a best option for this MLOps. So for that, you have to learn Python, Docker, Git. And again, these are the basic prerequisites.
Mm-hmm.
Those are the one.
Yeah, I got your point, but I don't think that this course would be suitable for me.
Okay, fine then. No worries. All right.
Okay, then I'm dropping out. Okay,
Yeah, fine,
thanks.
fine, brother. No worries on this.
Okay, bye.
Okay, fine. Okay. So, coming back to Amit and again Babu. So, as we discussed yesterday, right? So, at least we can develop Python models, and again we can understand how to what is Python models, what is Python libraries, and again packages also. So, we'll wait like remaining 5 more minutes. Let them join. So. Hamid and again Babu, can we start, right? Hello?
Yes, Veer, we can start. We are
Yeah,
ready.
fine. Yeah, we can start now. Meanwhile, you can go on this. So meanwhile, I created the folder structure also. And yeah, first thing today, I'll show that, as we discussed yesterday, how to create a Python modules and again how to push to the how to create a Python models generally and again how to push to the PyPy packages also. We can see this, okay?
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi.
hello. Hello. Is it audible, right, everyone?
Yes, Veer,
Hello.
it's audible. Audible.
Yeah, I think Babu is in mute. So I think due to this festival season, right? So anyway, so next week also we can see this. No worries. So meanwhile, I'll share this link to you, Amit, and again for everyone also. Please have a look on this. I'll be keep on updating every day. One second.
Sorry, I was on mute. Uh, did you ask something from me?
Yes, yes, yeah. I pinged that link. So please
Uh-huh.
go through this
Yes.
link, okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay. See, ML life cycle, right? So we are gathering the business requirements, data collection, data cleaning, and again feature engineering. That's what model selection, model training, model evaluation, model validations. So this is what generally we used to do. But as a data scientist, we'll be developing that code. ML apps engineer will be automating this entirely pipeline. Okay, that's what the meaning here. And once again, I'll show this entire thing. See here. So basically, this is generally I want to say what is MLOps, machine learning operations. So we can take one of the sample example to understand this. Then again, we can go with like Python. Then again, we can come back to this MLOps. All right, your in the sense here, I will give one of the yeah. See, there are like 18 stages in the MLOps. 18 stages. One of the simple layman example project I used to take here, cake popularity predictions. Here, what is this? Goal. Predict which cake flavor students will like based on survey data. Okay, survey data. So now example, collects survey data like flavors tried, rating, preferred sweetness, validate and you can clean data, feature engineering, and you can split data into train and you can testing, train model using logic, right? And you can track experiments using ML flow, evaluate accuracy, and you can packing models with Docker, and you can deploy using Kubernetes, and you can monitor with Grafana, and you can collect feedback. This is what one of the simple project the layman to understand. Now, as a similar to that, professional student intelligence system. This is one. Predict student enrollment and again course performance across multiple courses. Right? Example, full stack, Python full stack, and again Java full stack, DevOps, cloud computing, many things. Example, collect student historical data, hours studied, grades, course interest, demographics, validate and you can clean data, and you can feature engineer, and you can version data sets with DVC, split data for training, like model selections, all these things. So this is what like entirely 17 to 18 stages we used to take care here, right? So in this case, we'll take the one of the simple example, first theoretical example in this case. See, gather the data. What it does, define the machine learning problems, business goal, key performance indicators. Who does it? Data scientists, and again product owners, they will be doing this. The tool they will use, Jira tools. Layman analogy, decide cake type, servings, and again ingredients. Next, in this case, this is what the planning. This is what requirements gathering. And again, the second thing, data collection. IRLs, data injections. Gather raw data from multiple sources, database, APIs, files, any storage areas, IoT sensors, right? Examples, Student informations we can gather from this: attendance, pass score. Same thing, bank transactions, healthcare, vitals. Who does it? Data engineers. See, here comes the part data engineers. The tools we use here: data will be stored in S3 bucket, Kafka, Airflow, Snowflake, any data warehouse. Okay. In layman analogy, collect ingredients from multiple markets. I'm comparing the two examples here. One is student information. Second one is how to like cake predictions. Are we there, right, Babu, Amit?
Yes, we are listening.
Yeah, exactly. Next, data validation and again quality check. What it is: ensure data is correct, handle missing values, wrong types. Here comes data validation, means data cleaning, many things, and again data manipulations also will be happening here. Okay. And again here we use tools in the Python pandas modules, PyDQ, and again great expectations models, right? And again layman analogy, inspect ingredients for spoilage. This is a data validation. First one is data collection, data validation, data pre-processing. Again here we are using pandas, NumPy, Skycat learning. Okay. And again feature engineering, generate new features, right? Here comes exactly what kind of algorithms we need to use. Here we are going to discuss this one, feature engineering. And again data versioning and again management. Here we use code tracking, we use for Git, and again data versioning we use for DVC, both the tools. Track datasets, features, pre-processing, scripts for reproducibility. Okay. Then again here comes model selection. Under this model selection, what kind of algorithms we use? Like logistic regression, random forest, XGBoost. We have like separate session for that. How many algorithms we have, how many models we have, everything I'll be teaching there. And again, tools we use here: Scikit learning, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Hugging Face, Transformers, many more. Again, data collection. First thing, requirement gathering, data collection, data validation, data pre-processing, feature engineering, data versioning, model selection, and again here comes experiment tracking. So if I choose two algorithms in this case, whether which algorithm is fine, which algorithm is not working fine, that's what I will be choosing: experiment tracking. Then again finally model training, and again model validation, again model testing, model packaging with Docker, and again model deployments in the Kubernetes. And again, this is what end-to-end it will be doing with CI/CD integrations, GitHub Actions, and again monitoring and again observability we can use Prometheus Grafana. And again model retraining we can use Kubeflow. This is what MLOPS pipeline will be working on this. We use either GitHub Actions to call the Kubeflow pipelines, either with GitHub Actions we can use for MLflow calling the pipelines. And again, the rest of what is compliances mode, security mode, like governance and again compliance, whether the data is picking from which area, which location, what is the permissions for that, what is the encryption of data we are choosing, everything will be taken care here. Okay. And again, finally, feedback loop back. Collect the feedback from users to improve model and again pipelines. That's what Grafana dashboards we use. 17th, feature store and again data management. Finally, it will be using like storage, centralized storage area. And again, infrastructure cloud management, everything we can use in this case for deployment into the AWS cloud. This is what to provision the infrastructure we can use Terraform in the AWS cloud. This is a 18 stages we use for data lifecycle. This is one of the thing. Okay. Now, same thing I'll be showing the black diagram also. So problem requirement gathering, problem definitions, data collections, data validation, quality check, data pre-processing, feature engineering, and again data versioning here, data versioning management, model selection, model training, experiment tracking. This is one thing. Okay. Next, model validation, packaging, deployments. These are the stuff. Again, monitoring, we can use monitoring and again observability, and again model retraining, and again governance compliance, feedback loop. This is a final case. Now we'll understand the cake popularity predictions, survey data collection, validation again cleaning, feature engineering, train model, logistic regression, experiment tracking, validation testing, Docker packaging, Kubernetes deployment, monitoring. This is what end-to-end MLOps lifecycle. Now, anyway, these are the same stuff area for student intelligence system also. Student data collection, validation, pre-processing, all these kind of activities. Before that, any idea about Amit and again Babu, what is algorithm and again what is model?
Hello. Audible,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, yes, Amit.
Uh, like there is a relation between model and an algorithm. See,
Yeah.
model is consist of a number of algorithm. Like that particular model, or we can say that
Yeah.
uh, the tool that use the algorithm, or we can say that final product of the algorithm. And algorithm is kind of like step by step rule to perform any activity or to solve any problem or to perform any task. Hope that makes sense.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. So in this case, that's true. Algorithms are nothing but actions in simple way. Okay. See, I want to tell you one thing in this case. I will list here algorithms, right? Mm, Okay. Algorithms, how to choose, when to choose, where to use, right? We know algorithms are nothing but actions, a method or technique used to learn patterns from data, right? Example, like no, we can give the layman example. Recipe is nothing but algorithm. Ingredients is nothing but data. Cooking dish is nothing but model. Algorithms is nothing but how to cook. Model is nothing but cooked food. Correct, right? Same thing, action.
Correct.
Yeah. Now in this case, what is the model here? A trained output created after applying an algorithm on data. That's like, brain. Generally, we can tell that, okay? Now, I'll give you, okay, we have like, a number of algorithms. I have a separate page on this. Okay, we can take this only. Examples of algorithms, linear regressions, logistic regressions, decision tree, random forest, k-means, neural networks. Like, including this neural networks is including this deep learning. Okay. I will tell you this. How algorithms are used step by step. Choose algorithms, provide training data, train algorithms, model is created, use model for predictions. In this case, learning patterns we need to understand in depth here, but we are not a data scientist to develop these models. That's one thing. But at least we should know what are the algorithms, when we need to use, where to use, and again how we can use for the predictions, right? How to choose an algorithms. For number, we can use for numericals, we can use regression. For category, we can use the classification. For groups, we can use clustering. For outliers, we can use anomaly detections. This is what identify output type. So depending upon the types. Next, understanding data sizes like small, medium, large. We can use logistic regression, SVM, either with the medium data sizes, decision tree. Of course, we require like everyday large, random forest, and again XGBoost. These are the pre-built-in algorithms. Can we design our own algorithm? Yes, definitely we can design our own algorithm with the help of pre-built-in algorithms. That is one of the main thing. Okay. When we can use those are, but anyway, we can also build our own custom algorithms, but depending upon our existing pre-built-in algorithms. Next, accuracy and explainability. Say depending upon these types. Say our algorithms are used, where algorithms are used, where models are used, right? So in this case, Models are used like in the productions monitoring. But how to choose algorithms depending upon the types. Identify output type, understanding the data size, accuracy, explainability, like explainable, high accuracy. When to choose which algorithms. Quick baseline. If it is a like logistic, linear regressions. Like if it is a complex patterns, random forest. But how to decide this one? Which is complex, which is random data, which is a bulk data? That depending upon the information when we gather the data from the beginning stage. In the beginning stage only, we need to predict that, yes, we should use these algorithms for that. That's why it comes here, data scientist and again, machine learning basics knowledge. Okay. Now, where to choose algorithms? Finance. If it is a finance, logistic, random forest, healthcare, decision tree, e-commerce, clustering and again recommendations, security, isolation forest. Clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. This is important concepts. Okay. Fine. Algorithms are nothing but like actions. Methods are nothing but actions. Learned brain. I mean, trained brain. Right. So I will tell you like one more. Okay. So these are the algorithms listing. Linear regressions, supervised. So we know like high level, like supervised, unsupervised, right? So basically in the supervised, we can take the learning regression for predicting the numerical values. Like when to use prices, sales, and again temperature predictions. How to use Skykit Learner. So Skykit Learning is a module we can use in this case. And again, we can call like prose, simple, and again fast, interpretable, cons only linear data. That's what, okay? So these are the stuffs like logistic regression, predict categorical values, decision tree, regression again classifications. But we should know this one high level. But we are not a data scientist engineers to develop these models, to develop these algorithms, right? A random forest, like large data sets, gradient boosting, like XGBoost, light GBM, like it is a regression and again classifications, tabular data computations. This is like basically. So these are the multiple algorithms we do have. It's just simple to understand this concept, okay? Now, one more. Yeah. Here, the 18 tools I have mentioned, right? So in this case, we have a different tools for the different areas, stages. So rather than this 18 stages, in this 18 stages, we should understand where the data is gathering, how the data collection is happening. All it is happening with the GitHub Actions. Whenever they store the data in the S3 bucket, automatically it will be going to the alert in the GitHub Actions. From there, again, it is calling the next stage. Data validations will be happening. Data pre-processing will be happening. Feature engineering will be developing there. Data versioning is happening. And again, model selection. This is what end-to-end CI/CD pipelines will be implemented on this point in the final projects also. And again, end-to-end like mini projects basically. Why this project? Data collection, data cleaning, pre-processing, algorithm selections, model training, model evaluations, model saving, and deployment via fast API with Docker. So this is what we can store one of the Excel sheet CSV format in the any location S3 bucket. Take it out in the S3 bucket, and again we can write a Python script there. And again, data cleaning, pre-processing can be happening with Scikit Learning. Feature selections will be happening with the data there. It will be predicting there. And again, algorithm selections. Same thing, regressions, logistic regressions, model evaluations, model saving. It's a very simple concept, okay? And again, deployment. And again, writing the Docker file to build the Docker image. And again, testing and again, monitoring and again, deployments. This is one of the basic informations there. Anyway, this also we can do the practical lab. And now, one more. Yeah, the complete folder structure it looks like this. So readme.md file, data, we can keep the data here somewhere. Notebooks, we can use a Python Jupyter, or else local machines. Source data we can use. Models can be used with this one. This is a Docker file. And again, container orchestration tool Kubernetes also we can use. CI/CD with the GitHub Actions. Monitoring. and again talks. Any confusion, Samit, Babu?
No, wait, this is clear.
Okay.
Veer, can we complete this in 8 weeks? But it's a huge syllabus, right?
Sorry?
It's a huge syllabus, right? Can we complete this entire course within 8 weeks? 8 weekends?
Yeah, we can do that. See, basically, the first couple of weeks we'll be going with Linux, basic Docker, basic Git, and again Python. Then from the third week onwards, we can go with like end-to-end MLOps. Because we are not a data scientist for the developers, right?
Okay, so we get files from the data scientist, right? In real time, we don't need to code as MLOps engineer.
Yes. No need to code. We need to code only GitHub Actions, YAML, keep flow. That's the one thing. Okay. That's why, what data scientist developers or else machine learning developers, what they will do, right? They will be developing the code, not developing the code. Once the data has been stored in S3 bucket, either Kafka, either with data warehouses, either with any kind of database, they'll be storing the data. For that, we can pull the data. After pulling the data validations, this second part will be done with data scientist, third part data scientist, automatically. That's what like GitHub Actions, we should do these actions. We need to focus only GitHub Actions.yml file. We should write this code, YAML code.
Okay, what are the daily responsibilities of MLOps engineer? Suppose one project is deployed, once a model is deployed into the production, what will be the daily actions of the MLOps engineer? What he will do in real time?
Yes, in the real time, we need to measure model metrics, server metrics, and again application metrics. What are these metrics? Example, if I take the server metrics like CPU, memory read in, memory read out, what is the issues, and again how many request is coming. That's what like metrics. Same thing, model metrics. Like model metrics, whether it is measuring the correct accuracy data or not, whether it is running the correct model or not, whether the which version of model is running. That's what we need to identify with the observability tool. That is a Prometheus Grafana. Second thing, and again the third thing, we need to understand if the data is properly fetching or not, whether the data is coming from the right source area or not, and again whether any API calls is missing or not. This is the one thing we need to understand, because sometimes the data prediction is happening 95%. Sometimes it will be happening 85% because of data is mismatching. That's what like day-to-day responsibilities of MLOps engineer, and again the pipeline troubleshooting, and again implementing with the new pipeline stages. These are the areas. Is it clear, Babu? Yeah.
Yes, it's clear.
Yeah. Next.
And do you cover Airflow in this course as well?
No Airflow. We can take it out like S3 buckets, any database.
Okay, we get data from the S3 bucket, is it?
Yes, yeah. Either with S3 bucket also fine, either with MySQL database.
Okay.
Yeah. And we can also build in the final project. We can also build like one of the student prediction for multiple courses, like depending upon the on-demand jobs. That is the one thing I'm focusing. For that, we can develop our own customized algorithms. Okay, now. Okay, this is the one. No issues. Airflow, we can use a third-party tool with open source. Then again, we can do no issues. Yeah. This is the one. So this is what we need. We are going to do like one of the project, not this one of the project, like 3 to 4 projects. Okay. Okay. As we discussed yesterday, the Python. I'll be updating all the files here. So we know what is Python modules, Python package, Python library, right? How to create a modules and again how to create a package, how to create a library. Any idea?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I have idea.
Great. How about Amit?
Not much.
Okay. Yeah. We'll take it out this practical demo now. See, what is a module? Module is a collection of classes, functions, and again also variables, and again loops, conditions, many more. Package is a collection of modules. Library is collection of packages. This is one thing, okay? We'll do on the sample one. I'll show practically first thing how to create a modules. Okay, we'll create one of the folder here. MLOPS, Amit and Babu. Enter. This is our one folder. Okay. So now in this case, how to open the shortcut? CMD code dot. It will open the VS Code. It's the IDE tool. Okay. Here we can write a simple Python file. This we can call it out Amit dot Python file. This is a module we can call. Okay. Generally we can call like this Amit module. Amit ML module. Enter. Now in this case, I think we are good at Python, right, Amit? Babu, yeah.
Yeah.
So now we can write one of the function here. So the function will start with the define. Okay. In this case, we can write here ML. And again, I can call like this also. Yeah. We can get ML add. We can pass the two arguments. Okay. Then again, I can write like a return. I can give like an example A plus B. Two values. And again, define one more ML subtraction. And again, A comma B, both the values, either X comma Y. Okay. This arguments passing. Return X minus Y. Okay. This is the simple Python code. Okay. Now what I will do, I'm calling from here Babu dot Python file. So now in this case, Amit is a module, Babu is a normal file. So now how to call this one? See how to call from this one? Any idea? Import. Or else we can call like import Amit. Sorry. From where it is. Import Amit, why it is not coming? What's this? It's coming. I also written the code here. So I've given the examples like how to create all these things. Like to this one like this we can call, and again we can call like this. This is one of the Python modules. Okay, this is the first stage, how to create a Python modules. So I've written the two functions there. Like just example, like we can call like this. Okay. So in this case, import. We should save the file first thing. And then again after that, this also save. Import Amit. Okay, sometimes the file will get, okay, we can make it out like this rather than hyphens. Amit ML module. Okay. Import. Okay. See, don't give the hyphen, so that's why it won't come. Okay. Amit module. Import Amit module also we can call. Okay. Import Amit module as AM. Okay. Like this. As is a shortcut alias name of the Amit module. Now in this case, what I can use print the addition, right? So in the print addition, in this case, ML add. We can also use like this also we can use from Amit model like this also we can use import Amit model import ML had. Okay, ML had we can use like this also. We can use this in the two ways. Print. I'll show first way and again the other way also we can show. Next thing is ML add. In this case we can call ML add. We can call 5, 6. So what is the output will come? ML add 5 plus 6, 11 output will come. See, we can showcase here the 11 is output. 11 is output. We can use like this. Second thing, we can also call import ML add, right? After that, we can also write ML sub. In this case, we can use print ML sub and again open the bracket. Here also we can use 6, 6. So the overall output is 0. See, the first one is addition, second one is 0. This is a one way of calling Python modules. This is a one method to call the Python models. The other way also we can use like this. Second method. The second method import ML add. Sorry. Import ML add. Import Amit models. Import Amit model as in this case I can use print ML add. I can also use like this, okay? 4, 4 and again print ML sub. I can use again 4, 4, okay? What is the output here? First one is 8, second one is 0. Same thing, see? 8 and again 0. This way also we can call. This is the other way to call like this also. Clear, right, Amit? And again Babu. This is a simple Python model.
Yep.
Yeah. Also we can call like this also third method, okay? Third method we can use shortcuts. How we can use shortcut? Import Amit models as AM, okay? Then again print AM dot ML add. Here also we can write 7, 7 print AM dot ML sub 9, 9, 9, 9, 0. So right. So now in this case, the overall output is 11, 0. These are the things first two. This is the third method, 14, 0. This way also we can call the AS is nothing but shortcut alias name of the Amit model.
Let me know like whether we'll see from next week onward, like we will be first covering the Python, right? So
Exactly.
you be starting it from the basic, or like we do have to first brush up our Python knowledge, then
Yes, Amit, like, I'll be starting from basic from the Python also. Meanwhile, you can also go through this basic Python also.
see that definitely I will do in the background.
Yeah.
But I'm just wondering like whether we are directly coming to the function, or like we'll discuss, okay, this is what Python is, and install this particular software, and then after work, like how is it,
No,
or directly
yeah, from in the first weekend, right? Few of them are like
uh-huh.
Python very good. Few of them are Python is still lacking, right? For
Hmm.
them, what I will do next weekend, first day, 1 day class, I'll show like basic Pythons, how to install and again how to troubleshoot everything. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And also see, this is also one more method I'll show. Fourth method. See, in real-time scenarios, we can use many methods. No worries. See, basically from Amit module, import MLSUB as MLS, right? Then also MLHAD as MLA. Like this also we can call. And again, print here, MLA, we can call 10, 10, 20 will come. Print, we can call MLS 10, 10, again 0. See, there are multiple methods. See, 20, 10, 10, 20, and again 0. Babu, anytime have you tried like anytime like this? Amit, Babu?
Yeah, this particular addition and subtraction, I have done it.
Great, okay. Now, just like, to understand how Python models should be created, how to call in the multiple areas. Okay. This is one of the Python module creations. Now package. For package, we'll go back to here. We'll minimize, create one more new folder. And again, we can call Python package. Python packages. Next, in this case, again, create one more folder here. We can call Amit package. Amit package, enter. You can open the shortcut again. Code dot. Okay, in this case, we can create one file. So wherever the package is available, you should create one of the file name called as a constructor. Okay, init underscore dot Python file. This is a constructor. And again, here we can call the Python modules here. What is the Python modules we can call? So one is, okay, we can call one of the Python module, which would have Python. Other one is also MLOPS.Python. Two modules I'll be calling. Okay. In this case, MLOPS. Again, we'll be defining here. Define great something. Okay. Name I can give. And again, enter. Print. In this case, I can give rather than print F. Okay. MLOPS syllabus. MLOPS syllabus, we can call the arguments like this in this case. Why there is a weird problem? Why? Why? Okay, separated by new lines. Okay, no need to call this one. Once again, we'll go with this also. I can call it this. Okay, we'll take it out. This is also example here. Okay, we can take it out this one, copy and paste. A simple thing, this also we can take it out. MLOPS. MLOPS, comma by. This also we can take it out. Package also. Return. Okay, this is one module. And again, which one? Same thing, we can take it out here. In this case, DevOps we can show. Okay, this is the two models here there. Okay, now coming back, Amit package. Go to terminal, new terminal. In this case, see here we need to create one of the file. Amit package is here. So in this case, see Amit package. Here we should create one file. That file should be come here. Okay, we can create here only. New item. File name I can call here Amit Vishwa dot Python file. Oh, sorry. This file should come outside because we are calling from outside the package. Delete. Go one step back. New item. Amit Vishwa dot Python. Enter. This is one file now. In this case, ls. So the folder structure here. Refresh. Close here. This also will open like one more time here. CMD. 4 dot. See now it came here. Okay. So this is Amit package. And again, this is a av.output file. So now we can write like this also. So from what we can get from amit.package, import MLOPS, import MLOPS, which is that there. What is a import MLOPS? What is a model? MLOPS is a model. Import MLOPS. ML. Sorry. Import MLOPS. See, because I have given the file name is also MLOPS, but rather than this, I'll be taking this one. Amit Ops. AO, I can take it out. So in this case, so MLOPS, AO, okay. Here AO, in this case, import MLOPS. Why AO is not coming? Okay, we can type like this also. Print. AO, we can call like this 10, 10. That's one thing. Second thing, from MLOPS, then also Vishwa apps. Vishwa also. And again, in this case, Vishwa, what is there? DevOps. So now we can call DevOps here. Print Vishwa DevOps. We can call 20 or 30 minus 20. We can get the output like this. New terminal. So, and again execute this one. This is the output here. See, 20 and again 10. Is it clear, right, Amit? Hello.
Yes, it is. It is.
So this is a like this. Anyway, Amit. So we'll do one thing. So going forward, we can take it out this completely end to end, all these scenarios. And again, I'll before that, so please walk through background, like Python. How strong about Python you?
No, see, basically in my college itself, I have used it, and I have used it in the few code cases in my production environment. But see, not that much familiar because it's not in my day-to-day use. So if you see, if you say that okay, you have to complete these things in the Python, I'm ready to learn. It's I'll cover it before our next session. Not a big
Okay.
deal.
Oh, that's really great initiative. No worries. Just have a look on this basic Python on this.
Mhm.
Okay. Then again, this is a one thing how to create a models, everything. And we can do this also in the next upcoming classes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I think next week they will do great marketing because we have in this week Sankranti, right? So that's why like many of them are in week,
Correct.
which is South Indian festival. So that's why.
No, 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 no. Even in the North India, it is.
Okay,
We do
great.
have double Makranti and one more is there. Sakranti and Makranti both are there.
Oh, great. So you're from which state?
Basically, I do belong from Bihar, but born and brought up in Himachal Pradesh.
Great. No worries. Okay. Anyway, I mean, like, so please go through this one and I can try to practice this also, like, models this way.
See, is there recording ongoing?
Sorry?
Uh, I was just asking, see, whether this will be fruitful or not. Because, see, I'm not asking from your point of view. I'm just saying that, okay, I'm in my DevOps journey in my college.
Mhm.
I have not worked as an MLOps engineer and never worked on this kind of scenario, but I do wanted to like uh, get trained regarding this MLOps agentic AI because these and all technology that excite me, and I wanted to be a full-fledged AI and ML engineer in the future, or maybe a platform engineer, or maybe a like AI consultant and all
Great.
before my graduation got completed. So I do have I think 18 plus month remaining in my graduation. So I wanted some kind of certifications before that and a strong grip on these tools. So hope this particular journey will definitely help me in that.
Yes, obviously, Amit, like, basically this is a like, basic if you want to initiate it to the next level, right?
Mhm.
This is mandatory, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So fine, Amit. Then again, meanwhile, I will tell to the DurgaSoft team also. They will do marketing there. Okay.
Okay. I have to contact to these people for the payment and other things. Is it?
That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Amit. Bye bye. Have a great day. Bye.
Good day.
Good day. Bye.